Hi, in front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now choose Apps and Notifications, choose Advanced over here and go into Permission Manager. Then select one of your phone's features like Location and pick one of your apps like Maps. Then pick one of the options over here. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask over time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Maps gained access to my device location all the time. But you can also just tap on one of your apps, select See All Chrome's permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!